So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as I said in earlier classes, so I have covered that the ITSM, uh, why exactly uh, we need ITSM and how we can use that ITSM module in IT organizations. So I think we have covered all things in related to ITSM introduction. So as I said that in ITSM we have incident management and problem management and change management and request management and knowledge management. As I said earlier, for those I am going to cover new video for every topic. Like today I'm going to create new video for incident management, and tomorrow I will create new video for problem management. Like that I will create all new videos for new topics. I mean incident problem change and knowledge management and request management. So today I'm going to cover the incident management. So in incident management, these end-to-end process I will discuss today, and incident management properties also I will cover, and incident management properties. Sorry, priority lookups. I will discuss that also. No problem. So this means in TCS company, like more than 5 lakhs employees are there, right? So for every employee, so if, some definitely they should get any some problems in their work, right? So in this case, definitely they need to create one request. Request means incident. So so that is the reason TCS will provide the one tool, provide the one tool. So that that name is ServiceNow. So it means every TCS employee will have access to ServiceNow to create a request or to create a incident. So to create any knowledge articles. So I hope it's clear. For every TCS employee, they should have access to create any incident. Sorry, yeah, any incident or any request. So in this case, they should have that ServiceNow access. Okay. So here I will show you that practically. So I am TCS employee. So here I'm working under TCS company. So unfortunately, I am not able to open some applications. Like this is the applications as I told in earlier classes. So this is the applications. So I'm not able to access one of these applications. So these are almost uh, thousands of applications are there. So I'm not able to access one of the application here. So unfortunately, so you need access to that application today. But I think you in background you may not have some specific role. So that is the reason you are not able to access the application. So in this case, you need to create an incident. So then definitely you should have. I mean, you should go through incident. Just you can type it incident. Then just you will be able to see create a new under incident module. So just click on that. Suppose you open that. So this is the incident page. So whatever you have issue right. So for that issue you need to fill some fields, which is the mandatory caller field means which is your name, like you are a part of the TCS employee, right? So TCS will provide your name here. Then you need to select that name. So you can consider that able to trace your name. So just you can select this able to trace means you only, like just consider because here just I'm explaining the like practicing purpose, right? Just a second. Yeah, so sorry for that. So you can consider the table name able to trace your name only. You are the employee, like that you can just consider that. And category, so which is that you are facing. I think application you're not able to access, right? So you can select a software. So once you have selected software, then related software information, it will come here. So you can select something like operating system. Actually, in the real time, so you must have some applications issue or software issue, exactly which are the issues are there, right? So definitely you will be able to see under subcategory. But unfortunately, this is practicing purpose, right? Instance. So that is the reason you won't have that won't see many options. You only, I mean, you will be able to see only operating system and email, because here by default it will provide from the ServiceNow instance. So you can select the operating system. So just you will give that, I am not able to uh, access the application in Navigator, in ServiceNow in Navigator. Just you can give that uh, Navigator. Just you can give like that. And just if it is urgent, I mean, uh, if you thought that the application is very urgent for you today work, then you can consider that is very impacted like hike. Then the incident itself, it will, it will take that priority is very critical. So once it take to critical one, then it means that within half an hour this instance, then your instance should be resolved by the IT team. Okay, you can consider like that. So just you can save it. Now your work is done. That's it. Just you need to wait for IT team. They will come, they will connect with you and they will solve the issue. They, whatever that they are raising the incident, that work you have done it. So that's it. So now this incident, it will go to the IT team. Now you can consider that I am IT team person. Okay. Now I'm able to see able tutor request. This is the able tutor has been has raised the right incident. Now I'm able to see that this is the incident raised by the able tutor. Now I will see this incident. Okay, what he is facing the issue. I'm not able to access the application server in the ServiceNow navigator. Okay, so who is the caller? Able tutor. Okay, so category, subcategory. Okay, so I think it seems like this. This is a software issue, like application issue, right? So now I got it that point why he is not able to access this application issue, the application. Now I know that who will resolve this issue. Just I will assign some IT team. So IT security, ITSM and IT security something, ITSM application dev. So you can select anyone, any group you can select it related to this solving the application group. Now you have selected ITSM. Yep, right. So then once you have selected and save it, this work will be done by the ServiceNow developer. I mean, ServiceNow support engineer, ServiceNow developer. So end user only will do that. He will create the incident. That's it. So after that, it will come to ServiceNow team, and the ServiceNow team will take care that to resolve either support engineer or ServiceNow developer. He will do like that. So now, as you can consider that I am a ServiceNow engineer, support engineer. Just I have assigned this team because this team only will fix the issue whatever he is facing. That's it. Now, so these team members who are there, we can directly this team lead. This is the team. This team lead, he will assign to some other body who has free time to fix it. So our own Sudeep. So just he will assign that. That's it. So once he, I think he is going to, sorry, he will connect with Google to, and he will get the what exactly he's facing issue, and he will provide the solution. I mean, this is a process uh, he has to follow that. Now he will connect with able tutor. uh, for example, you can consider that why he is not able to access the application because of some roles. Okay, so he is not able to access the application because of some roles. Some roles are missing. He don't have the he don't have that much of role to access this application. Now he will do only one thing, that just he will go to the he will go to his profile and he will assign to some roles to him which is needed for this access application, and he will inform to him that, so I am done with assigning the roles to you, now you will be able to access the application. Like that he will discuss with him, and he will told him, I mean he will just inform to him, that's it. So this information, whatever assigned to person and caller, so this between these two persons, information and conversation will be happen through the work notes. This is the work notes. Okay, so now just he has created incident, right? So this information will be tracked by here, see. So this information will be just whatever the incident created, right? So it will be created here, information will be posted here. After that, so whatever that assigned group and assigned to information, so as filled with this group and this name member, right? So this information also will be provided here, see. So he will take care to fix the issue. So now, so just he will just he will inform to him that he has some specific rules now, that is the reason you are not able to access the application. Now I will give the proper role, and after that you can check that application, you must be able to access the application role. Just he want to inform to him, so this information, it will be done through the work notes, either work notes or Outlook, everything it will be done. Even if you give the information here, I mean if you he will provide the information here. So this information once he pasted, then it will be done through the Outlook also, it will be sent. I mean it will be sent. So just he will give that uh, I able tutor, you do not have specific role, so that is reason you are not able to access lab. So please get the please check after some time, then you will get the you will access the app due to you will assign proper roles for you. Like that he will mention the information here. Okay, so once he mentioned that information, and just he will save this incident. Who will save? This person assigned to person will give the information here, and he will save the incident. That's it. Once he saved in then this information will go to the, I mean this information will be able to see by this person. So he will come to know that, okay, so this person is trying to resolve my incident, and he is going to assign some roles to me. So I think my incident will be resolved. Like that he will come to know that. Okay, anyway, after some time he will give the access proper roles, and now he is able to access the application. So it seems incident is resolved. So this person, after some time, he take that application. So I mean, these applications, he will get, he will, he will be able to access the application. Whatever that previously he was not able to access the applications, right? But now once he has provided the roles, then he got the access to application to access the application. So now he wants to inform to him, I mean he wants to inform to him that I'm able to access the application. So just once you able to saw that, then once able to check after some time the application, I mean he's able to access the application or not. So once he's able to access the application, then he will give the reply to this person. So now he will give that, yes, thank you. Thank you. I'm able to access the application. Thanks. Thanks for your support and help. So this is, he has provided the information. He's able to access the, I mean, he actually issue is resolved. Now he access the issue, that's it. He wants to say that and properly message, I mean, updated work notes. That's it. And now he just able to, he will update. Now, so he, I think now user confirms that his issue is resolved, but now still it will be in the progress only. Okay, so it won't be complete until unless, sorry. So just he will change the state. He will change the state as resolved. But once you are updating resolved, you need to fill some mandatory fields. It will show you that here. See, so is resolved or resolved by something you have, whatever that you have provided, that you can select. Solution is provided, right? So you can select that only. So resolution notes, just whatever that solution he has provided, that you need to update it. Assign the proper roles to user. User means able tutor, because username is able tutor, right? Able tutor. So now he is able to access the application. That's it. Once we have provided the information, now you will be able to resolve the, I mean, this it will be changed result state. See, now record will be submitted. That's, but you know, here one thing you need to remember. Sometimes even if you provided the solution here, just you have provided the solution, right? Actually, he has provided the solution. He has provided solution to him, but we don't know about that. You know, issue is still resolved or not. He will confirm that no problem, but it may be same issue occurred next time also within the 7 days. So in this case, he won't close the incident. Just he will keep the incident until unless 7 days. It won't close. Just it will be stayed as a result only. It won't be closed because might may face any issue, same issue. I mean, with same issue again within the 7. So the reason this will close the uh, state. I mean, incident as a closed. Just he will keep it as a resolved only. So if the user may face any issue, say with the same issue in coming days within the 7 days, so again he will be able to open the incident in progress. So he has that option. Now still again he have faced any same issue, then he will just reopen that. Not a reopen, just he will keep state as in progress. That's it. Again in this task, just a second. Yeah. Again, this instant will assign to him, saying that work notes also it will be there. See, so thinking like previously it was filled with me, right? So information solution is provided. So proper roles has been assigned. Now issue is resolved, like that we kept. But once able tutor is kept into in progress, then automatically these fields will be removed and it will be empty only, because again we need to solve the issue. Okay, so see, previously we have selected with solution and everything, but we came with an empty value. So now he will check that we have assigned proper roles, but still able to is facing issue with accessing application. Why exactly like that? He will investigate. So uh, assign the roles, and based on his group and everything, he will check it. Finally, he will provide the correct solution. Again, he will provide the information like oh, we have assigned to we have assigned one big role. Now he will access the up. Yeah, he won't face any issue again. Like that, just assigned to person. I mean, this person will update that information to him. So just he will on the information resolve. So solution provide, and same thing like whatever I provide in the workload, that's you can update here and save it. That's it. And now able tutor, he will check that issue is resolved or not. Now it is again resolved, but he will wait for this again issue will be repeated or not. He will check that for 7 days. Days in 7 days, the issue won't be repeated. Then he will consider that my issue is resolved, and he will think that the incident issue is resolved. Then after 7 days, this incident should be. I mean, this incident state will be automatically closed state. It will go to the closed state. That's it, and no need to save it actually. Once we have kept as a result, after 7 days, automatically this incident will be good. I mean, it will go to the closed state without any manual doing work. Just it will go by default. So this is the actually whatever the communication happen, this assigned to person with caller. So every conversation it will be updated by, I mean updated through the work notes only, because this is one of the tracking purpose. Whatever I mean between user and between support engineer, what communication was happened, and the solution was, I mean, was provided, and everything it will be tracked by the work notes. This is the main content for resolving the incident, whatever. So now is incident is again more incident. We're facing the issue with laptop, not a laptop. We're facing issue with keyboard. Just consider that. So you can take now other user, any Abraham. So this is the user. This is the TCS user. You can consider like that only. For example, I'm Abraham. He's TCS employee. He's facing issue with the laptop keypad. So the this is the hardware, right? So you can select hardware. This is the keyboard, which is your face. You can select like that only. Now, so you can mention the description like I am facing issue with keyboard. So please help me. Please help me to fix the. Uh, so this is the issue. Yes, Abraham the what I mean whatever the he is facing issue, he has provided the information here in the chat description. Just it is very I mean he's facing like very impacted or not on the business. I mean his work. It is very urgent or not. So if it is not urgent, then just he will select that low only. So once you have selected loan, then planning. So it means he is using the keyboard yeah. So keyboard like extra keyboard maybe he has. So that is the reason that much of effect he is not facing. So that is the reason he has selected that low. It means for this so I think uh, 2 days we have to fix actually this incident. But if it is B1, I mean one, the selected priority critical one is there, right? So if it is priority is critical one, so within 1 hour or 2 hours, we need to fix the issue. I mean, this members should be connected with him. Within 1 hour. The incident should be resolved. I mean, within 1 hour, they have to this group member has to provide the solution to him within 1 hour. So if he has selected low, So now it is priority is 5 planning, not a critical. So in this case, these group members will provide the information within the 2 days, not within the 2 hours, because this is very low, not impacted a lot, just normally. I mean, below normally impacted on him. So that is the reason he will consider that that much of impact is not there. So what within 2 days you can connect with me and solve the issue like that. He is given indirectly to this group. I mean assignment group. So now he will save that. Now this incident has been created. So now incident has been created, right? This incident came to ServiceNow support team. So ServiceNow team, they will check that I am facing issue with keyboard. So please help me. Okay. So ServiceNow team got that this issue is related to hardware. And as he mentioned that keyboard and hardware, so completely related to hardware, right? So they will assign to hardware team. So hardware team. So once they have assigned, see. So now the hardware group in this assignment group, so multiple users are there. Open the record. We will open the record. You can see that in the hardware group, this is the group, right? This is hardware. In the hardware, we have 7 members are there. These 7 members will connect with him. Abraham Lincoln, 7 members they connect with him, and with between the 7 members, then assign hardware team lead, hardware group is there, right? I mean hardware. This is the one group. I mean support the one team. So for this team, I think team lead definitely will be there, right? So he will assign to some specific body, like a specific member in this 7 members. You can select anyone. I mean, team lead will say team lead, hardware team lead. He will assign to this person. That's it, because he is member of this group. Just he will save that. Now he will check. Just he will connect with him, and he will provide a proper, not a proper, like he, if it is needed new keyboard, he will provide it, or any hardware he will check and he will provide the solution. So as of now, I hope it is clear. Now I will discuss other things. So I told you, right? So work notes. This is the work notes, just tracking purpose. The information happen between user and caller. So that will be treated here. So related records. Related records means if it is already one of them have been created on the same issue, then that incident number will be updated here. So if it is a problem means again multiple times, like multiple users they are facing any issue with repeating, then so on the same description, I mean on the same issue, then problems are created or not. If it is already created, then it will be appear here only. So that problem number, change request also, anything like related to this incident, so change requests are there, then it will be appear here only. Okay. So this is the actually SLA. SLA means service level agreement. It means that whatever that I told, right, 2 hours, within the 2 hours, if it is priority one, then within 2 hours the support team, I mean assignment group members, they need to complete, they need to solve the issue within 2 hours if it is uh, priority one. If it is priority two, then one day they have time and they can finish it. And if it is P3 means like 2 days of time. This is a P3 ticket, because see, three, urgency and impact is 3, right? So that is the reason. So they have selected that. I mean, we have 2 days of time to complete that. So how you will come to know that how many days are there? So if it is P1, priority 5 response, so 40 hours is there. So it means 40 hours means 1 day 16 hours. It means closely like 2 days, right? If it is P2 means only 1 day is there. If it is P1 means like 2 hours are there, like that. Okay, so task SLA means task means working, how much you're working. So SLA means service level agreement. I hope you are this. Affected CIS. Affected CIS means CIS means configuration items. This is different but now you can't understand. In coming session, you will be able to understand that. So this is the same in CIS and child incidents. If it is any related to this incidents, I mean previously if it is created with same issue, any incident, then it will assign to, I mean it will come at, child incidents. I hope it is clear. And resolution, right? So this is the code. So once you are going to resolve the issue, then you need to select with this information which is related to, you know resolved information. And resolution nodes. So whatever the updating here in the final update, whatever you have provided solution to update here and resolved by. So it will be automatically taking, no problem. So this is the system will take that resolved. If close by me, uh, my name will take, my name is like system administration, right? So this is a system administration profile. So that is the reason that system administration unresolved. And when it will be resolved like that, it will pick the date and time. So that's it. And now I'm going to tell you the new things. That is, I have given the just assignment group and assignment. So these are already filled, and this person will come here. Uh, he will connect with Abraham Lincoln, but Abraham Lincoln is not available and he is busy. So in this case, he will do one thing, that just he will update the work notes. Hi, Abraham. I am trying to reach you, but not available you. But you are not available. So please let me know to connect with you. Connect you to the keyboard issue. Like that. Just he will. This person will give the information here, and here he will do only one thing, because the instead of waste, if you want, just he is not available, but he is ready to fix the issue. But in this case he's not available means, like that means with him only, not support engineer. So in this case we have time, right? So within the time we need to complete like that. He may not have 3 days not available. I mean he may not like available for 3 days. Then the incident will be reached with service level agreement, like more than 2 days. If the incident has been taken by person, then obviously it will be, the service now management will come to him, and they will ask him why incident has been reached almost 3 days. Then what are you doing, like the questions, maybe he will face the issues. So in this case he will do only one thing, that he will keep as a hold. He is not available, right? So same thing, just he update in work notes, and he will kept as a on hold reason, waiting for caller. That's it. Now he update, just save. Okay, so this is the information, just copy and pasted here. That's it, and save it. Once you saved it, now the SQL is stopped. Many days are one SLA completed in 6 seconds. This is not response mean, 1 second. Resolution. Actually, we should have resolution This is the response actually, but we should have that resolution SLA. So let me. Okay. So actually backend, as this is SLA, we should have that one more SLA should be there, but unfortunately it is not appear here. We need to check with not a backend. We just need to pull that here, but it will take some time. But I think now it is not good for. So as of now, I hope you can understand that if it is not available, then obviously then he need to keep as a on hold. Then this is the service level agreement, right? It will be paused. I mean, paused means like it will stop unless he will come and he will see this information. He will see the information. Then he will connect with him, and once he will connect with him, and whatever the he needed information once he provided, then he will just keep it as in progress and save it. So it means if he is not available, then instant also will be in on hold. Okay, then the won't face any issues with management because the instant won't affect with SLA, and he is not available, right, for 3 days. So that is also no problem. The instant won't affect anything. So once he came back, and then he will change the status as on from the on hold to in progress. So that's it. So now again he will connect with him. I mean, whatever the he is required information, he will provide, right. Now he will solve the issue. That's it. And now he will update that the keyboard issue. Uh, that's it. So now just provide the resolved state. It lost the information, right? Solution. Right. So now we save it. Now instead will be updated with resolved. Okay. For example, if it is instant is created to, I mean, for example, duplicate instant may have created. Now users, maybe somebody are working on that incident. Then we can directly the cancel. Okay, we can save it and it will be cancelled. If it uh, not solved, then again he will open as a in progress. He save it. Then he need to work on the incident. So within the 7 days, he will open the. But if it is not, if it is not opened by user within the 10 days, then automatically it will close within the 10. I mean after 7 days. That's it. This is the process of incident. Now I'm going to discuss about every field. So number means this is auto number. So once you have opened any incident record, automatically it will be open. If it is new record, then it will be opened with new number. Existing record, then which is the number already is there in the incident that will appear here. That's it. And color means already I told you, right? So more than multiple, like more than 5 or 6 lakhs members there, right, in the TCS example. And that member should be appear here, and if it is related to, I mean, if it is your name, then you can select that. That's it. So hardware, so which is the real issue is related to your category, then you can select that. And related to hardware, which is that your facing issue, then you can select that. And service offering, these are actually CMDB part. With this is completely coming days, maybe you can understand that. Sure. This is the whatever facing issue, just you can give the proper information here. Then use these members will come to know that exact issue what you're facing. That's it. A description. If you have uh, too much information there, if you have that you have some issue with that, and you have solution also. I mean, not a solution, like information. Too much information you have related to you, then you can paste here. I mean, you can write there. So channel, so information, whatever that own self-service. So instead has been created through the chat or email or phone or self, or we have integrations also. Integrations means if it is self means like myself I have created or phone. So through the phone itself, the incident has been created or not. So I mean this means like through the communication or through the creating incident, what how exactly it will be happen. So these channels we have, we can select that. And so I told you, right, so this is the impact and this is the urgency. So based on your urgency, you can select these fields and automatically priority will be here in a group. So which is whatever the issue is related, you are facing the issue, right? If it is related to some other group, then they will assign that up group with that. Uh, Assigned to mean a specific person, they will they need to take care of the issue. So for that reason only, he will this team lead, he will assign to some specific group who is related to this team. That's it. So this is the relation. I have discussed already these things. Okay, actually I need to tell only one thing, that SLA, actually resolution SLA we need, but unfortunately it is not appearing here. But anyway, we have separate SLA topic is there. We can create the custom SLAs for our upcoming classes, no problem. So in detail, we can discuss with SLA part. I hope this already I have discussed. And mm, notes also, I mean what notes means, what notes also I have discussed related to these are also I have discussed. This is like knowledge articles. We have provided the solution, right? So providing the solution, then again his colleague may have same issue. Then I think no need to create an incident. Directly he will come this incident and he will open the uh, this information links. This is a solution links actually already. This we can say that knowledge articles. So he like his friend, he will go through these articles and he will find the solutions for his issues instead of raising new incidents. That's it. And you may have some questions for this impact and urgency, how we can create uh, these two fields. If you select, then automatically priority, how it is selecting to high and low and criticality. So we have some topics there already, so we can call it that priority lookups. See, this is the priority lookups. So you can see now the impact and impact one and urgency one. If you select these two, then it will come critical one. I think already I covered in the this here. So if you select these two views as a one, automatically it will come with new one critical, because of it is configured here like that only. See, impact and urgency, if it is one, the priority should be critical one. So that is the reason now it is happening backend in backend. So you may question that how we can configure like that. So no. So we have that configure dictionary over dictionary configuration and everything like we have. So in coming sessions, everything we can discuss, no problem. Thank you for this today. I'm done with that as incident management. I hope everything is clear. So thank you. Tomorrow I'm going to discuss the problem. Thank you.